Welcome to Spectre, the world's first brokerless financial trading platform with no broker and no requirements for deposits. In a classic trading scenario, whether traders are trading binary options or FX, they are forced to deposit money at a broker in order to be able to trade. The broker may or may not honour gains and withdrawals, creating a conflict of interest as the control of funds rests with the broker. Price feeds may be gained, thus giving traders poor entries and exits, while account managers employed may trade on behalf of the client. As brokers in retail trading mainly make gains on client losses, resulting to billions of dollars in financial fraud every year. Spectre uses a global recognized distributed ledger known as the Ethereum blockchain to remove the broker and requirement to deposit, thus allowing traders to trade directly against a decentralized pool of liquidity or against fellow traders. Smart options and smart CFDs are the main instruments offered on Spectre. They are unleveraged and Spectre just earns a small volume-based fee. We employ no account managers and use an independent third party to audit price feeds. All trades, winning or losing, are run through immutable smart contracts governed by the blockchain. This means no broker has access to the trader's account or the decentralized pool of liquidity. Spectre allows traders to trade using two methods: fully decentralized, directly from their cryptocurrency wallets, or to avoid potentially high costs of transactions known as gas via a private escrow smart contract on site in a semi-decentralized fashion. Withdrawals are processed instantly at the command of the trader with no intervention, possibly by a third party. Spectre encourages reasonable trading and therefore offers unlimited virtual money accounts along with a range of risk management settings that help protect traders. The era for financial fraud in trading has come to an end. Spectre, empowering traders.